Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Mofajang Hair Wax Dye Styling Cream Mud Hair Styler and Pomade, and it's washable, temporary. This is specifically purple. About the product helps you style your hair while providing a temporary and fantastic hair dye and coverage. It's a great product for people who like to change their hair without their hair color without damaging your hair, and there are 7 colors to choose from. I decided to get the purple for myself. It's made of natural ingredients, no scalp irritation, environmentally friendly, and no harm to your health. It's a professional grade hair wax matte for men and women, and gives all hair types hold, control, and shine that it needs. You can have fun and play with the product to achieve different styles from the comfort of your home, and it's great for parties and cosplaying or for every day because people are just having fun with their hair color now. It used to be years and years ago when nail polish started changing colors and people were going for, turquoises and sparkly and all sorts of things, and before that it was just traditional colors like mauve and pink and whatnot. But this is a really fun product, easy to wash out. So the only thing it says here, after using this must be made in another country, so must be using after using the net hair, take a small amount of mud from the palm and circle rubbing to make it uniform, and then try it on your finger and gently pull the finger form from the hair root to bottom to smear evenly. I think there's one precaution on here to not use with any sort of heat products, because I think that would seal it in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. So it has this foil, and it's pretty thick, and this is the color. You can also mix colors. They have a white one, so you can make a lighter purple. This one is specifically a darker shade of violet, I would say. I've tried it on my hair. It's vibrant, it's fun, and I don't have to worry about being stuck with a hair color that if I'm going somewhere and I want to look different and I want to keep, I have blonde highlights, so it shows up really well. It shows up also on dark hair really well, as I've seen demonstrated. So yeah, so I'm going to use a little bit of makeup remover and remove this. Easily comes off. So yeah, this is just a fun little product. Maybe if you just want to put a couple streaks in your hair, or if you really want to do your whole hair, want to style it, don't use heat products over it, because that will mash it into the hair and make it more permanent, or semi-permanent. So the Mofajang hair coloring material, this one is in purple. I see they also have gray, they have gold. Actually, let's see what all the colors are. They have green, they have a bright red. There's a whole host of colors. This one actually says 19. So, but using a white, make a light purple, I actually have one coming in the mail that's going to be red, and I have a white one so that I can make a nice pink and kind of put that towards the ends of my hair and do something that's super fun. I've always wanted to dye my hair purple, but never have wanted to I never wanted to commit to dyeing my hair purple. So this is something fun that I can use now. There's really no age restriction on coloring your hair fun colors now. It's more acceptable. I see people in their 50s and 60s with, you know, turquoise accents in their hair, or purple, green, or their whole head green actually. So I'd rate this about 4 stars out of 5. Nothing particularly wrong with it. It's not as vibrant as I would like it to be, but it does come through and it does work really well. So like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.